The classy Rainforest cabin of the Heritage Lodge features a private balcony with deck chairs and feetrests, where you can relax and enjoy the beautiful views and sounds of the Daintree rainforest. These cabins are very specifically designed to blend in with the rainforest. This cabin style is located in a more secluded area of the property and looks out on beautiful tropical rainforest at the front as well as the back of the cabin. Truly let yourself go in this pristine and beautiful surroundings of the dense and magnificent rainforest around these cabins. The Rainforest cabin has a large and comfortable queen-size bed and plenty of space to relax during your stay. The Rainforest cabins feature large modern bathrooms with deluxe shower and toilet. Each room has a TV and a DVD player, and feature movies can be borrowed free of charge from our DVD library. The room is fitted with modern and very quiet air conditioning and has a ceiling fan above the bed for your comfort.